Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix no DP signal on DELL Monitor. When your DELL Monitor shows the message no DP signal from your device, it means the monitor is not receiving any display input through the DisplayPort connection. To fix this, start by turning off both your computer and your monitor. Unplug the DisplayPort cable from both ends and check for bent pins or damage. Then plug it back in firmly. A loose or faulty cable is often the main reason behind this problem. If the message still appears, check the input source on your monitor. Use the on-screen menu buttons and make sure it is set to DisplayPort. If it is set to HDMI or another source, the monitor will not detect the signal. You can also test the cable on another device to make sure it is working. If it doesn't work there either, replace it with a certified DisplayPort cable. Next, check the graphics card connection. Make sure the DisplayPort cable is plugged into the correct output port on your computer. If you have multiple ports, try another one. If your computer has HDMI or VGA, connect your monitor using those temporarily to get a display. Once you can see the screen, reinstall or update your graphics drivers. If you still get no signal, boot your computer into safe mode. Safe mode loads a basic display driver that works with almost every monitor. If you get display in safe mode, the issue is software related. If the monitor still shows no signal on any device, then the problem is likely with the monitor itself. Try using another input source like HDMI or reset the monitor to factory settings from its menu. You can also check Dell's website for firmware updates for your specific model. Thanks for watching.